In today's video, I want to show you guys what you can do if your Netflix isn't working here on your Philips TV. Okay, for the first what we can do is that we unplug the TV, wait like 2 minutes and plug it in again. This is to fully reset this TV, and sometimes this helps. What you also can do is that we go here from the home menu here fully to the right into the quick settings and here on all settings. But before we do this, go here on Wi-Fi and here make sure that you are connected with your Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi should be turned on and that you are or you should be connected. So go here in quick settings on all settings then, and then go all the way down here into the apps. Click on apps here and then go on see all apps if you don't see Netflix here. So and then here on all apps, go all the way down on Netflix. So where's Netflix? Sorry, where's Netflix here? Here is Netflix. Okay, and then go on Netflix here. And what we can do is that we first force stop the app. So force stop it and then try to open it again. What you also can do after that is we disable it, then wait like 1 minute, and then you can enable it again and try to open it. And if this also doesn't work, try to uninstall the updates, and then maybe you have to update the app after that again. So you can also go in the app store for updates or something, and then also try to open it. And if this also doesn't work, go down here and clear the data. Clear the cache first, and then you can also clear the data if you want to. So, and yeah, this is really important. And then what we also can do is that we go here on permissions and you make sure that the app has all permissions. Sometimes this also helps here to fix the problem. Okay, and after that, your Netflix app should work again. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.